Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. You have been asked to produce a section view of this object. Alright, so let's begin. You're going to draw section BB, meaning you're going to draw the front elevation and we'll section it. Alright, so let's begin. This is 30, 20, and the midpoint. So let's start. To begin by first drawing a horizontal line. That's my horizontal line. Then you start drawing the lines. I'm going to draw a vertical line to here. Remember, all these lines are thin continuous. It's when you are done that you use the continuous throughout. Alright, so the book says 20, 30. So let's do exactly that. So this is 20 and that is 30. I'm going to draw horizontal lines through this point. Right. We have been given that the distance from this tip to the center of this circle is 70. So let's measure that and draw a circle. That's 70. I'm going to pick my compass and draw the circle. Now the circle has a diameter of 30, so meaning a radius of 15. And the smaller one has a diameter of 15, so meaning a radius of 7.5. So let's draw that one too. Okay, right. We have our two circles now. Alright, you have been given that the general casting thickness is 8 millimeters. So meaning the distance from here to here is 8. From here to here is also 8. And the distance from here to here has been given to us as 10. So let's draw that one right now. I'm going to measure 8 here, then another 8 here, giving us a total of 16. So I'm going to draw vertical lines through. Right. Then I'm going to measure 10. So that's 10. Now draw a horizontal line. Next, you have to draw this one, and the distance is 8 millimeters. Right. When you're done, you draw this circle and this inner circle. I'm giving that the radius at the bottom here. You know the radius is 12. Sorry, the diameter is 12. Let's draw that one right now. I'm going to measure another 8, or you can measure 16. That's 16. They measure 12. 12. Sorry. Measure 12. 12 is here. 12 and 6. Then you draw vertical lines through the points. So this is the first 8, and this is the 12. Let me finish this one. Then we draw another one too. Right. Meaning from this distance to here is 16. This to this is 12. Then this is another 6. Alright, so let's continue. The distance from this side to this side I'm giving to us as 105. But then we know my distance from here to here is 39. And this to this is 35. So meaning this is obviously plus 4. So the distance from this side to this side is going to be 109. 109 plus this thickness, that's also 8. So let's draw that one. So let's measure 109, then the thickness of 8. That's 109, and the thickness of 8. So let's draw vertical lines. The distance from here to this center line and given to us as 105, has given to us as 35, sorry, but then we are at this position and then the distance is 4. So 35 minus 4, that will be 31. So mean the distance from here to this midpoint is supposed to be 31. So let's measure that and draw this circle of radius 12. So I'm going to measure 31. I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'm going to pick my compass and measure radius of 12. I'm going to stand here and describe my neck. Now where it intersects, I'll stand there and I'll draw. Next, you see this line is tangent to this circle. So let's draw this dot. Now for the inner circle, I'm giving that it's a 12 millimeters draw here. Meaning at the top is M12, so meaning the radius is 6 millimeters. So let's measure 6 millimeters and draw the inner circle. Alright, so that's the top circle. So that's the inner circle. At this point, you see there's a fillet here. There's a fillet here, and it's supported by a web. So let's draw that fillet. But I'm given that the general fillet radii is 4 millimeters. So let's draw that one. So let's measure 4 millimeters from this side and another 4 from this side too. Then let's pick 4 with our compass. So that's 4. I'm going to stand at each of the points and use square an arc. Now where the arcs intersect, I'll now stand there and draw the fillet. It's quite small, so it will be a bit difficult. But then we have drawn it. That's our fillet. Now I want to do the same thing too for this side. So let's draw a vertical line so that we can get a reference to use. The same thing, we're going to measure for 4 millimeters on each side. So that's my 4. And that's another 4. Then I'll pick 4 with my compass. Then stand here and inscribe an arc. Stand here, inscribe an arc. Then I'll stand here and inscribe an arc. Now where the two intersect, I'll stand at the intersection and draw. So you have a fillet ends at that place too. Alright, so let's move on. Now what is left is this side. You have been told this has a diameter of 20. So let's measure that out. So diameter 20, so you just have to pick out this thing. Then draw a horizontal line to touch this one. We already have this one touching. Next, I've been given that there is a hole here which has a diameter of 10. So I'm going to measure 5 from here, 5 from here to get the diameter. Stabilize this. So 5 here, 5 here. Then we draw a line. Remember, all your lines should be thin, continuous. It's when you are done and you are sure what you have done, then you now use thick lines. Alright, so what's left? I think we have a shape now. Okay, it's left with this one. Is a tangent. Is a tangent from this side. We have that one too. Alright, so I think we have our final shape now. Now let's take in the edges so we get the final object out. So let's begin. This is a hole, so it's going to have the center line. Alright, so we have our final shape now. Now what is left is for us to section it. Now we section it. Oh, it's left with one. Now we sectioning. It's done at an angle of 45 degrees. And the lines must be uniform. So let's list the parts we are going to section. We are going to section here, here, here. This is a hole. This is also a hole, but we section this. This is a web. It's not supposed to be sectioned. We section this one. This is also a web. It's not supposed to be sectioned. So let's start. Alright, so this is the final outline we are going to get after sectioning.